Hi, this is Parmesh from MCAR Industrial Automation Services Private Limited, and today we are going to discuss about one control panel over here. But the control panel has Star Delta control panel. It looks like Star Delta control panel, but it's not Star Delta control panel. Okay, why? Because our client has approached me with different applications, so that I'm trying to explain about that what their expectations and all the points. Okay, let us watch our control panel. Okay. Yeah. Yes, this is control panel inside. What we use the panels and as we use three power contactors. Okay. This is main power contactor. This is main power contactor. This is star, and this is delta. And what client is asking is nothing but client is asking when the control panel is running on star, they have to run a one speed only. Okay, after 5 seconds, after 10 seconds of delay time, our star will going to connect into the delta. In delta also he need expectations of one more speed. In star he need one speed. In delta he need one more speed. Like that, it is star delta dual speed control. We can treat it as a like that, like star delta starter with dual speed control. For speed control purpose, we use a transformer over here to control a variable voltage here. Okay, why? Because even this transformer is also a special made for the client only. Okay, first of all, if you observe the transformers, we have options here: 0, 40, 50, and then 60, 75, and then 100. In star, his expectations as 100%. Okay, in delta, he need to control by the voltage of 60% only. Okay, this is the main incomer R, Y, B. R, Y, B. In star, this one is R. It acts like whatever the wires is there na here. This is R, Y, B will enable. After completion of 5 seconds, star is going to convert into delta. In delta, this one is there na 60% R, 60% Y, 60% B will is going to activate it. Okay. Even the control panels, for switchgear purpose, for incomer, we use an MCCB, molded case circuit breaker. Okay, and whatever the power incoming, we are going to give like this here. This is the incomer. Whatever the control panel below one is there na, this is gland plate. R, Y, B we are going to take from plinth length to here, and from this point to here only. Okay, and we used an MCCB with spider links. These three we are going to call it as spider links. This RYB is going to the main contactor. Whatever the main contactor is going to connect with the star is going to connect with the delta over here. And we need to take each and every RYBs to the transformers. Whatever the main contactor is connecting with the 0%. Whatever the star is there now, star is going to connect with the 100% over here. Okay, and delta is connected with 60% terminal here. Okay, even the transformer is also not available actually, this type of transformers. Specially we requested our supplier, and he specially designed for us. Actually, general transformer is having only one incomer, one outcomer only. Okay, input, 3 inputs, 3 outputs only. But the application is different now. That's the reason why we specially requested our supplier, and he supplied and this type of terminals. Totally, we have each and every phase. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terminals is there for each and every phase. For R, it have 6 terminals. B is also 6 terminals. Y also 6 terminals. Like that. Just we are going to we have connected a main supply to the zeros. Star has connected with the 100%. Okay. Delta has connected with the 60%. Okay. and we use an timer also, and that timer we are going to call star timer, delta timer. That means star delta timer. In star, the whatever 15 terminal will be there, na, this is going to control the star one. Whatever, if you observe the name delta, delta is going to connect with the delta power contact. Okay, this is the overview of our star delta dual speed controller. Okay, for RYB indication we use indication lamps, industrial indication lamps. It is R phase, Y phase and B phase. If your motor is running position, the on indication will come. If it is in off position, off indication will run. Then if it is in certain short circuits and all, if it is trip in positions, or trip indication will go glow. Then for start, we use one start button. For stop, we use stop button. For emergency purpose, we use an emergency button. Here inside we have MCCB is there, na? This one. Okay, we are going to start this MCCB with these starters. This one. Okay, like this, on, off. Okay, wait. Okay, this is the control panel overview, and thanks for watching our video. Please do subscribe, like, comment, okay, and then click on bell icon for get updates and notifications and all. Thank you.